guys, today cooking with the Salsa Queen. I'm the Salsa Queen. We're gonna be making an amazing guacamole. Yeah, guacamole, because it's so good. And we also gonna make a bean dip. So what you need is 2 ripe, nice, large avocados. And a big shout out to my friends from the knife roll that I won this knife yesterday, so I'm super excited. And we're gonna cut the avocado lengthwise. And we're just gonna squish the whole thing inside the bowl. Yeah, just like that. Another awesome avocado. Avocados are so beautiful right now, so you should be able to find some awesome avocados out there. You just squeeze the whole thing out. Have you seen this before, guys? A little bit messy. And you're just gonna mash it up. After it's all mashed up, nicely done, you're gonna put a couple of tablespoons of our creamy jalapeno. 1, 2, so it can give it some creaminess and a little bit of spice in there. And we're gonna put some of our pico de gallo. I like to put usually the whole container. I just don't wanna put all of the juice in there. But if you wanna put the whole container of pico de gallo, you're more than fine. And then a pinch of salt. You're gonna mix it up. This is the best guacamole you'll ever taste. And you know, in my country, Mexico, we leave the pit of the bone of the avocado because we believe that guacamole lasts longer. So it's optional. If you're gonna eat it right away, then there's no need. But if you wanna have some leftover, then I would suggest for you to put it in. And the salsas have enough lemon juice that is gonna keep it really nice and fresh. And just like that, you have an amazing guacamole, nice and creamy and a little bit spicy. Now we're gonna make our bean dip. I found these amazing beans. They're dehydrated beans and they are pretty awesome. You just add hot water and they're ready to roll. They look like cornflakes. So don't put any milk in there, in a bowl of cereal. So we have a pan right here boiling some water, and we're gonna pour the whole thing. They have these refried beans, and then these ones are fat-free. So we're gonna use the regular ones. And the fat-free ones too, why not? Let's put some of that in there, and we want the water to be really nice and hot. And we're just gonna let them simmer here for a minute. Okay, and our beans are ready. It only took like 2 minutes. We have our beans right here. These were done in no time. I love these beans. So we're gonna put, of course, our nice big layer of beans right here. And then we're gonna start layering. So first, we're gonna put, let's put some red chili because I love red chili. And it's gonna give it that nice smoky flavor. And we're gonna just smother it right here. And then we're gonna put my favorite, some creamy jalapeno. And we're gonna do another. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Oh yes. And you can take these to parties, so easy to make. We're gonna do a layer of our amazing guacamole. And you can put as much as you want in there. Oh yes. My mouth is like watering. Some guacamole. Let's throw some cheese in there. Oh, so good. Some pico de gallo. You gotta have pico de gallo in there, right? Gonna be so good, and you can make this in 5 minutes. Take it to your next barbecue and impress all of your friends. That's right. Right there, maybe a little bit more cheese. And some cilantro. Oh yes. And now for the final touch, we're gonna add just some queso chipotle in there. And just like that, Your bean dip is ready to go to your next party. Okay, so what if we have the hubby come and try this? He loves food, but he's honest. Hey, hubby, come here. He's right here.
All right,
Okay, so I make a bean dip. I made a bean dip. It's really good, and I made the amazing guacamole.
Oh, yes.
So I want you to try it and tell
So
everybody.
you put the guac on the bean dip?
I put the guacamole here too, and all of our salsas.
All right.
Is that good?
Yep, I'll see you later.
Yeah, that's right. He can finish that all. So have fun, babe. Oh, let's try this guacamole.
I need you to.
No, okay, take it off. Thank you for watching Cooking with Salsa Queen, and I hope you guys made this at home. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and go check out all our other videos. See you on the next one.